Dobro jutro from Republika Srpska, beautiful Republika Srpska. One of our favourite places. We're here in the capital city, Banja Luka. And the first thing we're doing is going to the very edge of the city, because I've seen these thermal mineral baths that like someone's made along the river and they look really nice. I saw them from the bus yesterday, I've seen them on the map, they look really good. So we're going to check them out. Probably going to get a taxi because it's over an hour walk. They look really good. It's really hot at the minute. We're talking like 40 degrees in the day. So we're going in the morning, but I still think it's going to be cooking. Because it's summertime! I've got the Summer Cool Peach Lemon Hell. The best energy drink on the planet. I've not tried this one. Let's see if I can do the one hand. I'm not good at this one-handed opening, Yolish. Sorry. You want to try it first? We've just brushed our teeth, so it's probably going to taste dodgy again, isn't it?
Oh god.
What?
Oh,
it smells well good. I need to stop brushing my teeth just before I drink something like this. No, I think it still tastes very nice though. I think this could be a winner, you know. So we're just walking from our room, which is just way out the centre. It's back, but it is really nice. It's like £16 a night. We made it to the banks of the Vrbas river here in Banja Luka after about 40 minutes walking, maybe a bit longer. We didn't get a taxi, we just walked. So, and we found this isn't the thermal pool, but it's like someone's made a river runoff pool. It looks like someone's made it, like they've like dammed a infinity pool section, natural light infinity pool. I'm pretty sure it's river water. It's actually not, it's not too cold that. It's actually not too cold. Bit of a lukewarm temperature. Maybe the river's not too cold. Who knows, I don't know where it's fed from. There's loads of fish, yeah, there's someone jumping about. Oh, there's loads here. It's nice here. So I think we're gonna walk down this path. There's a path that seems to go all the way down the river to the actual thermal pools. So we'll catch up when we get there. But that's pretty nice. If it's busy down here, maybe we'll come back and chill in here. So there's some more here. It's like someone's in the spare time coming as like a hobby to just build these pools. You can see they started building like bits of them, and they're building like a wall here again. It's like people are just taking it upon themselves to come and make these for the locals, which is pretty cool. It's quite a nice walk down the front here. Morning walk. It's cool in the shade, fresh breeze. Yeah, it's nice. I reckon it's like another 15 minutes to the main pools. Look at that stalk, can you see it? Dead end. Classic. Absolute classic, gotta walk all the way back. Never gonna arrive at this rate. Never had a list then. So we finally made it to the Mineralna Kuka thermal baths here on the Vrbas river. It took like an hour. We ended up walking the whole way. It took way over an hour actually. In the super hot weather. There's all kinds going on the way. Let me show you around. It just seems like it's pensioners. Like all the local old people just coming for like a morning dip in the healthy mineral waters. It is actually really nice. And it's in the shade at the minute. So it's still fairly cool. So yeah, you can swim in the river, all these little dip pools. There's quite a few of them, there's like 6 of them. What temperature are we on? it's not too warm. What's this like? It's just like a lukewarm, isn't it? It's mineral water though, I don't dare taste it. I bet there's a bit up there you can drink. Really?
It's like a little seed.
So someone's hand built this, I think. Some like locals have made it. Look at the views though. Oh.
Like an infinity pool.
Infinity pool on the river.
Yeah.
You can see loads of fish jumping in the river as well. I fancy a dip in the cold river.
Yeah?
In a minute, yeah. This is alright though, isn't it? What did he do? A bomb?
Yeah.
From the grass bit?
Yeah.
It's like a proper local spot, this. Wow, there's some current, you know, because he's swimming into it and it's... Look at it.
And I was just going back into it. What temperature is that for?
That isn't too warm, it's like medium. So you can see how busy it is up there. But we've got our own little one down here now. It's got to be good for your hair, hasn't it? Because this water is full of minerals and all the good stuff. Very happy here. This would be perfect to like 6 AM in the morning when it's really cold. This would be good. I just can't believe how busy it is. It's like a real hot spot for the people who must live here in Banja Luka or close to here. At least living life.
It's really nice.
It's such a nice, serene spot. It'd be well good living close to this. You could come here every morning, start your day here. Or was it worth the walk here, the hour and a half walk?
We also stopped because the sun was behind us on the way back. So
We're going to be in the sun.
Are you going for a dip?
Yeah, I'm going to go for a dip in the river. But look at how busy it is. Look at all the people, it's like retiree heaven. Reckon it's cold?
Yeah.
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 The best way to do this is like... It's not that much current, but... It's fantastic.
You like drifting?
It's a really nice temperature. It's well nice. What's this cat up to then? What are you up to at the thermal bath? This cat is gonna get me. Get off this man's towel.
Ooh, you big fatty.
Oh, what is this cat? Did you hear the noise it will make? It's gonna wheel my hat. This pool we didn't go in is absolutely rammed. You can see it's heaving. That must be the best one. Everyone's chatting their heads off. Can you see them fish?
I love it. Everyone's just chatting to
It's
each
well
other.
good here, isn't it? Yeah,
Like,
well good spot.
Not a single phone in sight. Everyone's just having a right old chat.
Well good.
Well, yeah, they're all piling in there.
Oh. So the river's really good to swim in. It's like a swimming treadmill, like a free treadmill. You can just swim, swim, swim and you don't go anywhere. It'd be well good if you wanted to exercise in the morning. We're going to walk back now to Banja Luka town. Yeah, it was really good, yeah. I'm knackered though now, it's because we walked here. It's going to be hard work going back. Maybe someone will give us a lift. Oh, so you got some little apples. Interesting. Look at the area though, it's like So yeah, Banja Luka may be a city, but it's so easy to just escape the cityness and just come somewhere like this. It's one of those cities that's in like a, how do you say it, like a, there's just forest all around it. And it's not full of like skyscrapers and stuff. It's so nice, places like this. It feels small, is what I'm trying to say. Nope.
I think it's really nice that places like this still exist and they've not been ruined by tourists or being horrible and trashy and rubbish everywhere. Just local old people having a dip in the morning. It's really nice.
Found the street with loads of people selling all kinds of gear on the side of the road. Look at this cute dog. Just at the side of the street, everyone's plonked there with bits and bobs. There's loads of homegrown produce in it, and this lady's got honey as well. Look at all these teas, all these spices as well. Oh. So believe it or not, we've not left the room all day since we went to those thermal baths. The heat is ridiculous. It's 7 PM and it's still nearly 40 degrees. But we're going to look at Banja Luka Centre. We have to while here, it looks really beautiful on pictures, so we're heading downtown. Oh, we walked back from the pools as well. We did like something daft like 20,000 steps today before we came here, and we just walked another 40 minutes from the room, so my knees are feeling it, really hurting. But we're near the centre now, so let's see what it's like, see if it's any nice. This is the coffee shop I went to the other day, it was quite nice. They've got these mist sprayers which are a lifesaver in this heat. If you sit near one of them, you're sorted. Look at that gorgeous blue church, Orthodox church. So we're approaching, it seems to be the very centre of Banja Luka here. And it's really peaceful, it's a Friday night. It's pretty quiet, there's people out and about, but it's really chilled. Like, the traffic's not too bad. There's not like skyscrapers everywhere, it's quite nice, it's quite low. There's a few little parks dotted about. It's quite nice, to be honest. It's quite a nice little vibe. It's a change from being in a city where everyone nearly runs you over every like 2 seconds and you can't cross the road anywhere because everyone's an ignorant prick. It's nice. Ah, vrlo dobre. Okay, hvala. Look at this one. What's around here? Video. Oh, these are nice as well. Srpska. That's got a back print.
No.
It's very nice, isn't it? What else is there? Oh, look at this one.
And this one, look. So nice coat. And this one.
These are class. We found the motherlode leash. So these are quite nice. There's another gorgeous church there, but we can't get in, it's shut. But it looks really nice, it's really nice colours. Really nice architecture on that. Oh, the sun's bright. Bloody hell, sun's going down now, it's like mole territory. We're knackered, we can only wander for a little bit, we're too worn out from today, it's too much. This is the Orthodox Cathedral in Banja Luka. absolutely gorgeous with the golden domes. Town's getting a little bit busier, people are coming out. This is such a stunning cathedral. Look at the clock tower as well. That is beautiful. Look at that. How much to Sap Sap grill?
Kiss on the cheek.
So this is the main walking street. I'm taking it. There's some sort of choir going on. It's quite nice. It's quite a nice street actually. This. You can see it's pretty busy now. But it's still a nice atmosphere. It's not like, it's nice here I think. It's like peaceful. What's with these weird lampshades though? What are they? Instead of the stupid umbrella street, we've got dodgy lampshades, spotty lampshades. This is what I mean about it doesn't feel like a huge city, because from all over you can see the hills. Look how beautiful they look behind the city. There's also a really nice church down there I saw. But yeah, you don't feel like you're in a concrete jungle and you feel like you can breathe a bit. We're back in the room. We've done 30,000 steps today. It's been, how bad has it been? It's been an absolute journey.
It's been a really good day though.
It's been really good. We've got some special food here, Banja Luka specials. So this is Banja Luka Cevapi, and they come all stuck together. They're like a Cevapi patty. Got it for takeaway because it was just loud and look at us with like sweating our heads off. So I've got some red pepper dip, red pepper and cheese is it, and like this like slaw. It looks pretty good to be honest. I'm gonna just try a bit of the meat. Tasty, peppery, greasy. Not as fresh as I'd like, having to get takeaway if they're on sourdough flour. But it'll do. It was £5.50, so £2 something. Salty. Good. Greasy. Really good cevapi. A really greasy, fatty. Don't got meat there. But yeah, Banja Luka's specialty to end off round of our time in the Republika Srpska. Done well, Will. We love this place. Good night, thanks for watching.